Jury trials are canceled. In-person hearings are postponed. Cook County tonight considering some modified reopening maybe in June. Court employees have tested positive. Although the wheels of justice haven't completely stopped, in Chicago jails tonight there is a clamoring to get them moving faster. A literal clamoring. As the I-Team shot video for tonight's report at Chicago's federal lockup in the Loop, we could see some inmates pounding on the narrow security windows and hear the clanking. Perhaps a chorus of desperation as they wait behind bars for COVID-19 to ease up and courtrooms to reopen, similar to what the I-Team found at Cook County Jail, where prisoners have placed urgent signs in windows and made hand signals for our crew.
I'm very concerned about my client's rights to go to trial and the right to a public trial. This has been very chaotic.
The public defender is distressed, and so is the state's attorney.
Crime is not taking a COVID holiday. And so for the last 8 weeks and counting that we have not addressed those cases will still be there when the courts open back up.
Those in custody are just, racked with fear.
Defense attorneys try to manage the uncertainty.
What keeps me up at night are the voices of my clients and the pleas of my clients who just want to get out. And it's kind of our focus right now.
Judges fear the future.
Everything is being pushed back as far as possible, so there's going to be a huge crash when we finally get back to work.
The right to a speedy trial has been suspended.
Former federal prosecutor and ABC 7 legal analyst Gil Sofer tonight says the right to a speedy trial guaranteed by the Sixth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution is being nudged along by technology with some virtual proceedings through live video links.
It's amazing what can happen in a county that's been so technologically challenged, where we're still using carbon paper, that we have zoomed into the 21st century by having Zoom hearings.
Many courtrooms and court buildings are closed. According to these emergency measures for Cook County, similar to others across the state, regular casework is delayed, postponed, being conducted by phone or by video conference. In federal courts, data reveal civil filings continue at a normal pace, but hearings, decisions, and regular case activity is down more than 40%. In Chicago's 7th Circuit, appellate arguments today were prohibited in court through June 30th. Last week, Chicago District Judge Tom Durkin noted in one case filing that it is certainly unlikely a civil jury trial can be held this year. And Chief Federal Judge Rebecca Paulmeyer said in a statement to the I-Team that even working remotely, judges are receiving status reports, issuing opinions, and entering orders every day.
We're going to have a huge backlog, and a lot of people are going to be waiting for justice.
So here in courtrooms, what will it be like when the pandemic ends?
It's not going to be so simple as flipping on a switch that first Monday and everything goes back to normal.
How do you do your work without putting too many people together at the same time? That requires adjusting schedules. It requires staggering the court appearances. It requires any number of things. And it's going to take some real getting used to.
The parties who are in the courtroom will have to social distance, most likely wear masks. The clerk was concerned about people walking up to the clerk who sits right next to the judge. And perhaps we're going to build maybe some sort of plastic divider there.
We're trying to remain on the ready to do what we need to do on our end in order to assist our clients in their safety and making sure that their cases don't become a death penalty.
Never to be overlooked are the victims of crime, who tonight also wait. According to the state's attorney, victims are carrying anxiety about whether or not they will see justice for the harm that has come to them.
Hey, if you like that video, be sure to subscribe to our ABC 7 Chicago YouTube channel.